Welcome back to the AI Read. Today we will talk about loops. Ever wondered how to repeat tasks in your code without writing the same lines again and again? In this video, we'll explore loops in Kotlin, including for, while, and do while. You'll learn how each loop works, when to use them, and see real examples that make your code smarter and cleaner. Whether you're building Android apps or just getting started with Kotlin, mastering loops is a must. Let's jump in. Let's start with the for loop. Use a for loop when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat something, like iterating over a range or a list. Example 1 range. As you can see this example on infectivelation, this prints numbers from 1 to 5 perfect when you know your limits. Example 2 list. This loop prints each item from the list, ideal for working with collections. Now let's talk about while loop. Use the while loop when you're not sure how many times to run the loop. It continues